YouTubers, it's George. It's old George. I'm in the man cave or the man garage. It's not a shed anymore because I've got a garage. This is a 2-stroke petrol generator. Comes under several different names, brands and everything else. Not sure where they're all made, but they're all very similar. And this is sort of half my dad's generator and half mine, because I've got another one of these and I've swapped the fuel tanks over. So basically the bottom half is mine and the fuel tank is my dad's. Anyway, it's a long story. Now this has a very weak spark, so I thought I'd investigate it, and I don't think there's much you can do on these, but I did notice that you can buy coils, ignition coils, and this one's from a Yamaha 650 generator, or 650. I think it's 65cc or 63. So what I've done, I bought one. It was about £5 or £6 for the new coil and cap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap it over to see if it improves the spark, because this one's a peak to start. You know, you have to fiddle with putting fuel down the carburetor and all sorts of things, but the spark on it is very weak. So that's what I'm going to do. And to change the coil, I've got to remove the fuel tank, which is generally a 10mm spanner, and disconnect the fuel pipe to the carburetor. So it's quite a simple job to do, and I'm going to just remove the tank and I can show you where the coil is. Okay, undone the 4 bolts. Fuel tank lifts off. There's a fuel tap sitting there, just here. There's no fuel in it. Put that down out the way. And the ignition coil is easy to find. Just follow the spark plug cap round and there's the coil. Just remove one screw, pull the leads off, and that's it. And then just put the new one in its place. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the spark plug and turn it over, see if I can demonstrate how weak the spark is. Might not be possible in this light. I don't know. Okay, so that's the lead. Take this screw out. That's the screw that holds the coil into that there. Right. Disconnect 2 wires, which is just push on that one and that one, and this coil lifts off like that. Put it over here. Different spark plug cap, and I don't know whether the lead's long enough. It's a smaller coil by the look of it, but we'll see if it will fit. New coil fitted. Just a matter of putting the spark plug in now and put the tank on, and I'll probably dribble some fuel into the carburetor to see if I can get it to run, see if it will start. What I'll do, I'll put some fuel in the carburetor because the fuel pipe's perished and I haven't got any at the moment. See if I can set the camera. Yeah, that'll do. Sun's got in. Not too much. Right. Check on. Well, the engine runs, but I can't really test it fully because the fuel pipe's cracked and perished. So what I'm going to have to do is go and get some fuel pipe, and then I can put some fuel in and have a go another day, Sunday afternoon, and the place where I get my spares from will be closed this time of day, so I can't do any more. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.